The fronts of your kitchen cabinets. This is a really, really, really big important thing. And for the reason that, uh, for example, people have these pull-out garbage cans that are hidden inside the cupboards, but when they're pulling them out, oftentimes they're pulling them out because they have, I don't know, they've cracked an egg or something and they're going to throw it in the garbage can. So they open the garbage can with one hand. And then as they crack the egg dribbles all the way down the cupboard and it's on the front of the cupboard and they throw the egg away. And this happens a lot with just cooking. It'd be stuff on their fingers, and then they open the cabinet doors or the cupboard doors, and there's like gunk stuck on the cupboards and around the cupboards. And while it might not look dirty, if you hit it from a different angle and a different light, you can see all this gunk on the fronts of the cupboards and stuff that's dribbled down the side. And you really need to stop and just clean it down. Now, what we're seeing in this picture is an electric drill. I didn't leave this in the notes, but I will put it after this is over, because I'm a really big fan of it. If you're not, like in this kitchen that I'm showing you right now, there are 79 cabinet fronts. Okay. And so every one of these has to be cleaned before somebody comes over. And once you've done it, you're going to try to keep it clean, during the showing process. But clean it up. And the electric drill, these are little like scrub brushes. It's a little drill bit that goes right inside an electric brush. And so this way you can use an electric drill, and no lie, you can have the whole 79 cabinets done in about an hour. It takes about an hour to do 79, but that's all the drawers, the silverware drawer. It's all the kitchen cabinets that are by the stove that are everywhere. And that way, when people walk in, they just gleam and it's like, whoa, welcome to my kitchen, right? Again, we don't want people asking questions that don't need to be asked. So we just want them to come in and go, oh, wow, this is a really cool kitchen. I totally see myself making big meals in here. We don't want them to walk in and go, ooh, there's like gunk on every one of these cupboards and stuff dribbled down the sides. Not cool, right? So just a small cloth, and you can use a non-scratch scrub sponge in some warm dishwater, or you can use like Murphy's oil and a scrub brush. This particular scrub brush was designed for kitchen cabinet, but it's so easy to do. Please don't neglect this one. This is a really big one. And I know a lot of cleaning services don't offer that as a service, except for an upsell package. And so lots of cleaning services, you pay extra and they're not going to clean your whole house, but they'll come in and they'll do just your cabinets. So if you don't want to do it yourself, hire somebody to do it, but please don't skip that step.